right, so today we are in Capitol Reef National Park. I didn't even know it was a thing, really. It's in Utah, and it's very mountainous and red, rocky.
You kind of feel like you're on Mars.
Yeah, if you took away all the green vegetation, it would look like Mars, I assume. I mean, I've never seen Mars, but it would definitely look like another planet.
Okay, so we are here with my family, and so we're just gonna stop and park here at the visitor center and then hop in with my family in their car to ride up to the beginning of the trail, because that trail ends here at the visitor center. So,
which I feel like is my favorite kind of trail, because it's kind of lame when you hike in really far and you're like, oh good, we have to turn around now and go the same distance. This I mixed hike and trail, so it came out hail. This hiking trail is, you could do one way, so that's what we're doing. Hiking straight on through.
And then we'll hop in our car at the end and go back to the other car.
Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Parker good, Zach.
Ooh,
that was
like
good.
a glove. Like a glove.
Okay, so we said this was supposed to be a water hike. We've gone about 2 miles and there's been no water. And
yeah,
pretty sure this was supposed to be like a waterfall.
Yeah, I think this is where the first, get this right here, I think this is where the first waterfall was supposed to be. But, oh, well, yeah, probably in both places.
Yeah.
This is a little more rounded, so yeah, I guess that makes a little more sense, but.
So we're just out here in probably like 95-degree weather, just hiking in the sun.
Look at this cool rock I found. Ooh. Anyway, we do think that we'll see water later on.
We hope, so we'll see.
We've done it. We've reached the water.
Yes!
Huzzah. Whenever we go on hikes, we look for heart-shaped rocks to give to one another. It's really precious, really sweet. We've reached the poison swamp part of the hike. Ew. We made it to the first waterfall, and it looks pretty nice.
Okay, this national park has some of like the coolest rock formations. Just check these out. Cool. Too cool for the rest of us, and he's just gonna rock climb around it. So let's see how that goes.
I just don't want to get you.
Zach, you're not gonna make it. Yeah, he thinks he can get around. But yeah, I think I with one hand. I got it. I got it.
Yeah, this is gonna work.
Yeah, James, take the bag. Jump that. Do it. Just full send. It's pretty flat. If you're gonna get wet, just get wet.
That's so much deeper than I thought.
And now you're the wettest one of us all. Congrats.
My plan worked. Oh gosh. That was Hi, Caitlin. Caitlin, imagine.
Is that what it says?
It does.